So they're going to learn how to make something everywhere. Here's the thing, if I was a teen, I would have loved to have taken this school. This was not available. Maybe I would be able to actually cook now. That's not the case had I taken this class. So let's talk a little bit. I mean, we're here at Santa Monica Place. You can do so much. I mean, you've got kids museums, you've got shopping, and of course you've got the Gourmandise School, which I love. How are you doing, Chef?
I'm doing really well. So we are here making all kinds of really great food from our Global Cuisine Week that we're going to be having for spring break, which starts March 25th.
And here's the thing. I want you guys to take a look at our beautiful teens behind me. Ladies, gentlemen, how are we doing? Good. I mean, see how excited they are? So what I love about this school is for those parents at home watching right now, sometimes you don't have you're not going on vacation, but you need to keep your teens busy. This is a great way to do it because they are going to learn so many things, so many skills, and of course, they're going to learn how to make a meal from all around the world.
Yes. The best part about this is that we teach them food safety, we teach them how to clean up as they go so they don't go home and trash your house.
Right, yes.
And then also, it's been our experience that children who actually make their food are more likely to eat their food and eat a wide variety of foods.
I like that. I like that a lot. Now let's take a look at some of the dishes that they will be making for the week. What is this? Because this looks so good.
That is our Spanish tortilla from our Spanish tapas class with charred onions. And then right next to it, we have the main ingredient or the main recipe from our Cuban class. So that is our arroz con pollo with Cuban rice.
Okay.
And then we also have our chocolate chip cookies because a class at Gourmandise is not complete without some cookies.
I was just going to say, you have to have baking classes as well.
We do. This summer we'll be offering teen baking camps as well. So all kinds of really delicious stuff.
Now what are we making today? Because this is going to be one of the dishes that the teens get to learn how to make.
Yes, so this is a spring roll from our Southeast Asian class.
Okay.
So we're going to be starting with our rice paper wraps. So we're just going to put it into some cold water until it's pliable.
And I like this. Anyone watching right now at home, maybe you can make this tonight because it's actually pretty simple.
Very easy.
And very healthy.
Absolutely. So just until it's pliable, and then we're going to put it out onto your cutting board.
Okay. Do we feel like that's good?
I feel good. I feel good about that.
If you feel good, I feel good. All right.
Absolutely. I'll toss mine in, and then you're going to start with a little bit of lettuce.
Okay.
Put that right down there in the center.
Love it.
And we're going to top it with some bean threads.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
All right.
And then after the bean threads, we're going to go with our vegetables. So we've got julienne, carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers.
Again, I love that this is so healthy for teens.
Absolutely. We do our best to get all of our ingredients from the Santa Monica Farmers Market every week.
Love it.
So perfect. Nice, neat, tidy.
Okay.
Well, tidy enough. Great. Gonna be great. Oh, let's also top with a little bit of green onion and cilantro.
Love it. I feel like such a chef. Hello, hello.
Exactly. And then you're going to roll it up. So...
Okay, that was my chef. Okay.
Right, so we're going to start at the bottom. Here, I'm going to catch up with you.
All right.
And then we're going to start at the bottom. We're going to pull up. You're going to pull it taut, so over the vegetables, and then kind of snug it back.
Okay.
And then we're going to do the right side, fold over. It's just like a burrito. And then we're going to do the left side, and then just roll, 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 roll.
I'd like you guys to take a look at hers.
It's great. Yours looks amazing.
Mine's coming out. I mean, all these kids are doing so much better than me behind me. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
And bon appetit. Oh, it's good.
It's good. Nice, fresh.
Fresh. Perfect. I love this. Now, everything that they make in class, I'm assuming they get to eat as well.
They get to eat.
So you feed the teens.
We do feed the teens. Anything, if they have a little bit of leftover, they get to go home, which the parents really like because they get a taste what they've been after in class.
How cute.
Yeah,
I love that.
It's great.
So this class, or this camp, lasts for the entire week.
Yes, 5 days.
And then they come in, but you have to hurry because this is March 25th, and some of these are already kind of starting to get.
They're on sale now on our website, and they are selling very, very quickly. So highly recommend.
But do not fret. For those of you who don't get into these classes, they also have summer classes, which I also think, and you have a ton of different things there.
Yeah, so this summer we'll be doing a lot of baking. So if you have a child who prefers baking to cooking, we've got that.
Yeah.
There's French patisserie. We've got all kinds of, we're still doing a more global cuisine, but we'll also be doing, there's pasta, there's everything you can possibly imagine. Anything a teen would want to learn to make.
And you also have date nights too, which I think is great. So for the couples, like people are like, I don't have kids, don't worry. They have something for you as well. So Chef Chris, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Cheers. Bon appetit. Ladies, gentlemen, well done, my friends. I see that you all have done so much better than my floppy little tie over here.